Mamá me lo va a mí, mami ven aquí, que yo soy el capitán. Difícil desde primer día que nací, todos estaban contra de mí. Miles de gente y familia odiándome a mí. Mi camino no es para ti, a ti no me importa la negatividad. Baby girl, you already know you're my ride or die. I'm not like those. You already know who that is. You already know who that is. I'm over here sticking around cause I'm trying to bring up the light and you already know what I see. I see destiny. Me and you together, we can make anything happen and accomplish. We can accomplish many things and many goals and never lose sight. Already know I'm right, baby girl. Yeah, I gotta check this out. Speak to yourself and light and die. So manifestation is speaking to existence, but you did. You should listen to this every day or every night. Motivate yourself. That's what you gotta do. Motivate yourself. Listen to positivity like this. It motivates and brightens your day. And there on and so forth. That's what we gotta listen to. Not the trash that you guys listen to outside. Not that, oh, I gotta take a Percocet. I gotta twerk. I gotta get a girl twerk on me and shit. Nah. Listen to some positive shit. Motivate you, hustle, accomplish your goals and dreams. Body will heal yourself from any illness. I'm smart, I'm knowledgeable, my brain will grow beyond great minds like Nicholas Tesla, Einstein. I'm someone great, my purpose will be fulfilled. I can't seem to understand why you acting this way. You acting so shitty and you're starting to misbehave. Look at that. You hear that? Look at that. That's all my music, bro. That's all my music. That's me. Spanish, English. I write my own music. I make my own beats. I edit all my things, you know, equalizers, the delays, everything I do it myself, bro. Edit the videos, make the videos, car videos, music, whatever it is, I do it all me. You know what I mean? I do everything myself. Remember that, guys. I got 2 channels, bro. This is my main channel, and then I got my other channel I just made like, what, a month and a half ago? My music channel is Easy Adonis, which I'm in Spotify, Apple Music, and all music platforms. It's Easy Adonis. If you want to go check out my music. I do Spanish. You saw some reggaeton that I just played, dembow that I played, rap, and I sing, bro. I do it all, bro. Everything. I do it all, man. I do it all. I don't believe in limits, bro. That's why I just try to prove to people out there. That's my goal in life. People always gotta be like, you know, people always gotta have that, you know, oh, I don't know what to do with my life and whatever, blah, blah, or I don't know what I'm supposed to be here for. I know what I'm supposed to be here for. I'm supposed to inspire people are watching me right now. People out there watching me right now, I'm gonna inspire you guys so you can be better than me. If not, do what I can do. Let me be an image of provement to you guys that there's no such thing as I can't. There's only I will and I can. All right, stop saying I can't, and you just learn and you can do it, bro. I didn't know shit about music. I got into it, researching it, and boom, start making music. And when I was younger, I always wanted to do music. I have books. People could tell you, bro. In school, I was rapping in front of people, but I was doing comedy rap, bro. I was making people laugh. Like, it was funny as hell, bro. It was really funny rap that I used to do, and I used to do it in front of my friends, and they used to laugh. I used to write in my book. I had a book full of funny raps, bro. But over time, you know, life happens, and then I just was put aside, and I did whatever I did, you know what I mean? So now as I'm older, which my birthday was yesterday, April 5th was my birthday, so hit my 30s. So now that I'm like, fuck it, let me just get into music now too. So I'm just want to prove to my kids that they can do anything too. So let me go into something that I haven't been into in a long time, because everybody sees me and knows me. I'm good at, I work on cars, you know, I'm good at working cars and motorcycles, scooters, whatever it may be. I'm good at doing that and working hard, all that shit. So I was like, let me do something different that people can see, like, yo, what he's saying is legit. I haven't been the last time I done music was I was little, bro. And then maybe when I was like 19. But that was like, again, that was like on YouTube for fun. And that was like one time. So it wasn't really like I am now. Like I'm an official artist. You know, that's because I don't have a contract or I'm signed by nobody. I'm literally an official artist. You know what I mean? So, and I do everything myself. There ain't nobody helping me. I don't have a team. So yeah, I'm trying to prove to my kids and my brothers and sisters that anything is possible. Anything can be accomplished. That's my goal in life. So, and that's what I'm doing. And I'm gonna keep doing that. I'm gonna keep doing different things. You know, I own my own business, Wrench&DETAILS LLC. That's my business too. I detail cars and mechanic work, all that is on me. So if you need any mechanic work, all that, hit me up. It's Wrench&DETAILS LLC. Yeah, I'll link it down in the description or anything. But yeah, I do music, I do it all, bro. Just be a motivation to yourself, to your kids, to your brothers, to your friends, and motivate each other, not demotivate anybody, bro. Remember that. Hashtag free Tory, bro.
We used to be best friends till we started sexing. What's next, girl?
Mga torcha humana. Dito pa kita lagana. Yeah. My drive shaft is here. Got the car lifted up already. Gotta take all that out under there. So that's what I'm about to do now. I'm gonna go straight to work. The drive shaft. The bolts are right there. You can see it's 4 bolts. And then we have these hangers up there holding it. That's what we gotta do, take out. So I'm gonna loosen those bolts from the drive shaft, let the hangers hold the weight. Same as over here. This is the bushing I was talking about that's messed up. As you guys can see, is ripped. And this is what makes that vibration happen. So if you have vibration on your car, your Honda Pilot or whatever, this is the issue. And then obviously that side is 4 bolts over there too. And then you got the hanger, 2 hangers here and here that we gotta take out. And then once it drops down, then we pull it out. YouTube. It's a different day. Obviously, it's the next day. I needed a quarter drive by 3/8 socket, like I said in the last clip, so that I could adapter basically, so that I can use my breaker bar. So now I'm going underneath the car so I can show you guys. Under here, we already got all the bolts out from the drive shaft. Took that bracket out. I'm all working on taking the center bushing of the drive shaft out now. As you guys can see over there, all the bolts are out too, they're on the floor. So it's on its way to coming out. As you guys can see, drive shaft is out. So you see how I have that hanger, I left that one on? That's to hold it up and take it out. So I'm just gonna drag it back out right now. I'm gonna show you guys the broken bushing. I have vibration coming from your, I'm gonna show you what it is. It's the center bushing. You see? It's ripped out. You see this bushing right here? See this? This is supposed to be attached as one piece here, but it's ripped. So look, it goes in and out. See how that? So this was supposed to hold it, support it up, but this is just moving up and down in there, causing vibrations and hitting up like bah, 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 like that. That's the noise it was making. Da, 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 da. That was it. That's the only problem this drive shaft have is this. Other than that, it's still good. So I wonder if I could separate this. Hopefully, I'm gonna try to figure out later if I can separate it. I'm gonna try to separate it, because if you can just replace this bushing here, that would be ideal instead of buying a drive shaft, a $300 drive shaft. But I'm gonna put the link in the description of the drive shaft I bought anyways. But just to compare it, I'm gonna take the other one out real quick. I gotta put it on anyways, so you guys can see the difference. So this is the drive shaft. See, I'm gonna show you guys the difference. Look at this. Right? Look at this one. All one piece. You know what I mean? Like it turns, it spins, but it's one piece. Whereas this one, it's 2 pieces now. Look, separate. Literally, look. You can move it all. Like, difference. You know what I mean? So this is the issue. The only reason I even changed this shit. So hopefully we can separate this piece and then make it like fix it so I can sell it. It looks like I can because look, I'm pulling down compared to this one, so it might be able to just separate and be swapped. I don't know, I'll figure it out later, but I'm gonna try to put this one on. Remember, make sure you put it on the same way as the one you took out. This was actually flipped over. I just flipped it so I could compare it to the new one to make sure that it lined up the same hole. So I'm gonna have to flip this so I can put it back the same way as the old one was. You always want to make sure that. So by doing that, just line up. See that? It has a square there, square there. The opposite side doesn't have that, like that big. That one's longer. So just compare it like that. And also this the bushing is further to the differential than to the transfer case. Remember that.
Encontramos billetes en la secadora, siento que ya pasé GTA. Que puñeta hago ahora, ey. A veces quisiera quedarme pelo para empezar a josear otra vez y hacerme mío de nuevo.
You guys can see, new drive shaft is on. I gotta take this plastic cover out. Which way is it? Right, yeah, it's right here. There's a zip tie here. This plastic cover. It's protected from dust and stuff. Take that out. Now that I have it installed, look, everything's bolted up. Stiff. You can see, it says it right there. Please cut off the tie to remove the protective cover. This was to protect the cover. Removed. And now it looks like that. Good to go. I'm doing a quick oil change too to the car because it needs it. Draining right now. Lucky I did, because look how nasty this filter was, bro. Y'all gotta stop using that Supertech brand, bro. Use K&N or even use STP, bro. But I don't even recommend STP. I use K&N, bro, or Mobile. I can always use K&N. On this, the only reason I'm using STP is because it already came with the car. But I'm gonna immediately change it after like 3,000 miles. I'm changing it again, bro, because it's gonna need to get cycled anyways. Because the way that oil looking, the new oil that I'm about to put in the car, I'm just gonna use it as a cleaner. And then the 3,000 miles, change it with the filter, put K&N oil filter with new oil. So the engine, basically, this is gonna be a clean out. This oil change is gonna be a clean out oil change. Car. So far, I don't hear that noise no more, that vibration. Checking the lights for the O2 sensors. I'm actually getting them today. It's gonna be a next video. Gotta change the O2 sensors in the car. I gotta reset that oil light because I already changed the oil. We did the drive shaft and oil already, and then I gotta do the exhaust leak. You hear that exhaust? That's the next thing I gotta do. I'll do that later. Right now I'm gonna pick up my kid so we can have some fun. But yeah, no drive shaft noise no more. No more. Finally, bro. Finally. I'm picking up my baby. Look at that. Say hi to YouTube. Say what's up, YouTube.
Hi.
Say check out my channel, yo.
Check out my channel.
What's the channel's name? You don't remember?
Brooke?
Brooks Gaming, right? Right, the noise is not there no more? That shit was annoying. Yeah, like I tell you guys, you gotta inspire your kids and motivate them. That's why I do all the things I do, music, YouTube, everything, because I want to motivate my kids so they can do better than me, right? That's why she's doing the channel now. That's what I do, bro. You gotta motivate, hustle, and stay productive and doing your things and inspire your kids and brothers and sisters and everybody. That's what you gotta do. Thanks you guys for watching. I appreciate you guys. Stay tuned for the next video. Next video is gonna be working on the exhaust and
That was me.
O2 sensors. Yeah, with her. So exhaust leaks that it has and the O2 sensors. That's gonna be the next video. Not this video. So see you guys in the next one. Don't forget, check out my music, ZZ Adonis, all my music and all music platforms. Literally, you can search me up on Apple Music, Spotify, everything. All my music is there.
Don't forget me.
And don't forget to check out her channel, right? Yeah, Brooks Gaming. Peace out.